How to get Vivamax voucher code. Now, first things first is pull up or open up any preferred web browser that you want to use. Now, I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video, and then just head directly to vivamax.net. Now, before you will have those certain amount of codes, you'll need to have a Vivamax official account first. Just head directly to their official website, create an account, and log in. Now, once you're logged in, just simply create or click on a new tab. Now, in your new tab, just simply type in JRFU Mart and then Viva Max. This is an actual link on a specific site in which you will be able to take advantage of the voucher code, but there is some rules that you'll need to follow first. So the very first thing that you'll need to follow is to by subscribing to one of their subscription. And once you're subscribed to one of their subscription, you will be able to take advantage with the voucher codes and many more. So that's it. That's how you get a voucher code on Viva Max.